Welcome back to day 76 of your Edulexis Python journey. Today, we are entering the world of data science with Pandas. Pandas is the most important library for data manipulation. Think of it as Excel for Python, but much faster and more powerful. Let's get started. Pandas stands for Python Data Analysis Library. It provides data structures like series and DataFrames, which make handling structured data incredibly easy. We use it for cleaning, analyzing, and exploring datasets. To use Pandas, first ensure it's installed via pip install pandas. In your script, we always import it using import pandas as PD. The PD alias is the standard convention in the industry. A series is a one-dimensional array-like object. It can hold any data type: integers, floats, strings, or even Python objects. Think of a series as a single column in a table. We create a series using PD a series, data. If you pass a list of numbers, Pandas automatically creates an index for them starting from 0. You can also define your own custom index labels if needed. Accessing data in a series is like a dictionary or a list. You can use integer-based indexing or label-based indexing. This flexibility makes Pandas very robust for data retrieval. Moving on to the heart of Pandas, the data frame. A data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure. It looks exactly like an Excel sheet or a SQL table, with rows and columns. We often create data frames from dictionaries. For example, a dictionary where keys are column names and values are lists of data points. pd.dataframe, data_dict, converts this into a tabular format. Once you have a data frame, you can inspect it. Using df.head shows the top 5 rows, while df.columns lists your column headers. This is the first thing you should do when loading a new file. To select a specific column, just use brackets like df, column_name. This actually returns a series. You can also select multiple columns by passing a list of names. To select rows, we use .loc for label-based selection or .iloc for integer position-based selection. Understanding the difference between these two is critical for a data analyst. Adding new data is easy. df, new_column equals values instantly adds a column to your table. You can even perform mathematical operations across columns and store the result in a new one. Filtering is the superpower of Pandas. You can use Boolean indexing like a df age greater than 25 to extract only the rows that meet your criteria. It's incredibly fast. Real-world data is messy. Pandas helps you identify and handle missing values using functions like isNull and tfilner. Keeping your data clean is half the battle in data science. We have covered the basics of series and data frames today. Try creating a small data frame with your own data after this video. Don't forget to practice the commands. See you in the next session.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.